Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's Dwayne Desveaux, your Ottawa real estate agent, like you didn't know that. Today, by popular demand, I have driven out here to Barrhaven, another absolutely stunning suburb of Ottawa. It's located on the southwest side of Ottawa. In this particular community that we're in is a brand new community called Quins Point. It is an absolutely perfect community on the outside of Barrhaven, the outskirts of Barrhaven, which provides tons of access to walking trails, cycling, outdoor entertainment, you name it. It's amazing. Again, we are just minutes from the 416, minutes from Barrhaven Center, which provides tons of dining, entertainment options, and of course shopping. And you just can't go wrong. So we pulled in here. We're going to stop. We're going to get in, and we're going to explore this absolutely beautiful Minto model home, the Astoria. 2,300 plus square foot on a 28-foot lot. But before we begin, for those who are returning to my channel, welcome back, appreciate it. For those of you who are new to my channel, as I said, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I am an Ottawa real estate agent, and I'm traveling around all of these communities throughout Ottawa to try and provide you with as much information and content in order to help you make your real estate decisions and dreams come true. With interest rates dropping at the date of this video, hey, maybe you have more buying power. Maybe you're on the fence about going out to look at these model homes. So I'm creating this content so that you're able to see what these homes look like and make your own real estate decisions. So with that being said, we're going to take a look at this 2,300 plus square foot single family Minto model home, the Astoria. We are located in Quins Point on the outskirts of Barrhaven. And I think you're going to absolutely love this model home. I'll just give you a little look here before we head in. There we go. There's the Astoria, still backwards. Lovely. There's the model home right here, the outskirts of it. All right. And there it is. So we're going to go in and we're going to explore this absolutely stunning model home. I hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And leave any comments if there's anything you don't like or something maybe you do like and you want to see. With that being said, let's go. Okay, welcome to this view of the new construction home by Minto. This is the Astoria single family home here in family-friendly Barrhaven in the new build community of Quins Point, located just 25 minutes from downtown Ottawa. Now let's take a look at the exterior of this home. It's a contemporary 3-story design with dark gray siding, which gives it a bold and elegant look, perfectly complemented by the light gray stonework on the lower level, adding texture and contrast. I absolutely think you're going to super enjoy this walkthrough. So I'll see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. Hey, thanks for joining me on this tour of this Astoria model home by Minto Homes here in Barrhaven in Ottawa. As you can see, this spacious 4-bedroom open concept living home is perfect for family living. And let's talk about one of my favorite designs of this model home, which was the kitchen. Upstairs, the two-tone wood island with the sleek light gray cupboards and the herringbone backsplash, which tied it all in. Absolutely loved it, and I'm sure you loved it too. If not, send me a message below and let me know what you would do different in the design for that kitchen. Hey, and if this home caught your eye, feel free to check out the link below for more details. And, or if you're interested in the Barrhaven area or anywhere else in Ottawa and surrounding communities, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help you in your real estate needs. My job is to simplify the home buying process for you. And with that being said, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future home tours or any real estate tips or those ridiculous videos I put out that are kind of funny, but real estate related. And here's my phone number, as always. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.